welcome to my very new channel. This is my first video on YouTube. I hope you like it. Please like this video if it did help you and subscribe my channel for more. Let's start it now. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to cast on with long tail cast on technique. First of all, you want to make a slip knot. To create a slip knot, first you need to leave a long tail like this, and this long tail, it depends on how many stitches you're gonna make. I'm gonna cast on 20 stitches, so I'm gonna leave 20 to 30 centimeter for tail, right? And now I'm gonna creating slip knot. First of all, to create a slip knot, you want to make a circle like this, right? And place your with the help of your finger, you're gonna place this strand behind this circle like this, right? I'm gonna say again. First, you make a circle like this, and with the help of your finger, you're gonna place this strand right behind this circle, and you're gonna pull it through. And this is a slip knot. I'm gonna show you again. First, make a circle like this, right? And make a circle like this, and with the help of your finger, you're gonna place this strand right behind the circle and take this strand here and pull it through, right? Once you make a slip knot, now you're gonna take your needle, right? I'm taking this needle. This is size 8. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, I'm gonna use this needle. Take your needle on your right hand and place this needle into this circle like this and tighten up, right? Now you have a two strand here, one for your tail, and one you're working in with the ball, right? And make this position like this. You're gonna keep your tail away from you, and you're working in front of you, and make this position, and make this position with your thumb and index finger and your third finger like this, and you're gonna pass this thumb and index finger in between these two strands like this, and down here you're gonna grab this two strand with your third finger like this, right? Make this motion and this motion with your third finger and pass this thumb and index finger in between these two strands, right? And down here you're gonna grab these two strands by your third finger and make like this. And now you're gonna open out your thumb and index finger like this and make this position, all right? After you make this position, you're gonna place your index finger on this stitch so it can be moved. And now you're gonna take this needle through this loop here, not through here, through this loop, your thumb loop, and you're gonna get this loop here, right? You see this loop, and bring it back to you and release this loop your thumb loop like this and tighten up your stitch. Now you made 2 stitches, right? I'm gonna show you again. You're gonna go through this loop and take this loop here like this and come back to you and release this loop here and tighten up your stitch like this. You're gonna go through here, take this loop and bring it back and tighten up. You're gonna go through here, not through here. Always remember from the first loop here, you're gonna go from the first loop here and take this loop here and bring it back to you and release this loop and tighten up. Alright, I'm gonna show you in slow motion. Here, go through and take this loop and come back, release and tighten up. Go through here, got this loop, come back and tighten up. Go through here, take this loop, come back, taking this loop, come back and tighten up. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 and 20. Now I made 20 stitches, right? This is how you cast on your stitches. Alright, thank you.